Are you drowning in customer chaos, wondering if Wati can be your lifeline? Let's find out if Wati is truly a CRM solution. First, let's look at data management. Can Wati actually organize your customer information? Wati lets you store customer details like phone numbers, names, and custom attributes. Check if you can easily add, edit, and segment contacts. Next up, customer interactions. Wati excels as a WhatsApp business API solution, so you can manage customer chats directly. See if you can track conversations, assign agents, and monitor response times. Can you view chat history for each contact? Now, let's explore sales processes. While not a traditional CRM, Wati offers automation features. Look for the ability to create automated replies, send broadcast messages, and set up chat flows to nurture leads. Can you tag conversations based on sales stage? Keep in mind, Wati is primarily a WhatsApp tool, so it might not have all the bells and whistles of a dedicated CRM, such as robust sales pipeline management or detailed reporting. Evaluate your business needs. Does Wati cover your essential customer management requirements? Ultimately, Wati can be a valuable tool for customer management, particularly for businesses heavily reliant on WhatsApp. Assess its features against your specific needs to determine if it's the right CRM solution for you.